Hey friends and families at Citizens Academy East, this is Mr. Roja. I'm here to help out with a super quick way to get to your Google Classroom assignments. This is one of those times I don't want to waste your time. I just want to show you how to get to work. We're on a Google home page. If you cannot find a Google home page, just click on this plus and a new one will open right up to you. When you're on your Google home page, you look for your Google Apps button. It's these 9 little dots at the top. I click on them. You can see your classroom. Click on that. Find which class that you need to work on. Go ahead and click. Now, I find the best place to get started on my work is not the stream. It's not on the upcoming work and past work. It's just going right to classwork. Take a look. Right here, it's very organized. If you're up to date on all of your assignments, you can just find the assignments that are due. Right now we have videos up here. I've got my morning meeting. It's Tuesday, so we've got 1, 2 for each of my assignments all ready to go. Let's just find one and get started. I think it's important to not just click on the assignment, but to also click View the Assignment. You'll see why in a moment. When I go here, I can see all the important things for my assignment. It's about oceans. It's worth 10 points. My teacher, Miss Macy, is the one who assigned this work. If I want to send her a comment, I can do it right here. I see I have this resource right here. This is a simple one. The only expectation today is to read this work, close out, and mark that I have read it and I am done. This assignment is now done. I hit my home base button. It's this button at the top. Let's do another assignment. Let's do Tuesday's science assignment. I view it. Again, I can see there is no instructions. I just have some work to do. This is a PDF. I take a look. I've got some more stuff to read. I've read my assignment thoroughly. I am done with it. I can turn it in. Not all assignments have graded work. Now your teacher has seen these past 2 assignments are done. You can send a quick note. Next, home base again. Let's do another assignment. Science is now done. Let's check out social studies. I see this is missing. Again, hit view assignment. I've got instructions and a resource over here. I can watch my 10-minute video. When I'm done with my video, I can go to my work. In this work, I'm able to fill it out right on this page and then turn it in up top. Make sure I put in my name. I do all of my work and I turn it in. I see that it opened up a new tab. I want to close my old tabs. Go back to this page, so important. Not only did I turn in this work on the page that there was work to do, but also I can turn in this whole assignment and now it is marked as completely done. Oops. I'm just remembering I forgot to do some work. I can hit submit. Go back and fix it. My teacher hasn't even had a chance to check it out. I forgot to put answers on here. I've answered everything on here. I'm ready to turn it again. Again, it likes to open up a new page. I'm not sure why. I've got too many tabs open. I like to keep it clean. Everything on here has been saved. Turn it in. Again, my home base button. That's the easiest way to get done your classwork. If you now feel confident that you've got all your classwork done, then you can be done. If you would like to see more in this video, keep watching about how to see the classwork that's already been done, to see how I can finish the work I have not completed, and to see all of my messages and completed grades. All of that stuff is on my stream and upcoming and view all. Take a look. You can see all the things I've turned in. I have some graded work. You can see messages that have gone back and forth between me and the teacher. I can even go and look at things that I have not turned in. This is a missing assignment. I better get to it. Instead of clicking right on the work, I'm going to go to details though. This way, I don't just get the work, I get all the resources I need. I can watch my videos just by clicking on them. When I'm done with my videos, I can get to my work. Put my name at the top. Again, this is an assignment I need to not only turn in, but also turn in over here. You turn in your work and you also turn it over here. That way your teacher knows that you're done. Let's take a look. A question that I get a lot from students is, uh-oh, I've made a mistake. I've erased all my work. What can I do? These are redo and undo buttons, a big helper. All my work is back now. Another question is, how do I save my work? Every time you type, your work is being saved. I just put some work here. If you don't believe me, I'll close it down, open it back up. Wouldn't you know, my answer is still there. Once I'm all done with my work, I turn it in. Again, I'm not sure why they open up all these extra pages. I could see that being frustrated because I need to get back to this page here to turn in that work. If I don't see it turned in as a teacher, then I don't know to check your work. It just goes as unfinished. That's pretty much it. You've got this home base button. It brings you to your stream and classwork, the two most important buttons. The one is just stay up to date on this work, hands it all in. The stream, it gives you lots of announcements from your teacher, but I don't find that helpful. I just go here. That way I can double check to make sure I've got all my assignments turned in. I can see my messages from my teacher. I can see the grades I've gotten on my assignments. And anything that is missing. Please do contact me or your teacher if you have any questions about your classwork. They are the contact point for all of your questions, and they are happy to help you out. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.